Make a great choice today with the 2015 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, power passenger seat, power lift gate, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.